literally landed a few hours ago from Tokyo. I spent last week in Tokyo meeting with some amazing entrepreneurs, visiting the city, and I actually was flying back during the elections, and I saw everything, the excitement of people over there and the anxiety.
I've just received a call from Secretary Clinton. She congratulated us, it's about us, on our victory. And
well, that was unexpected, totally unexpected.
Hillary has worked very long and very hard over a long period of time, and we owe her a major debt of gratitude for her service to our country. I mean that very sincerely.
I'm in a state of shock. There's no way. There's just no way it's gonna happen. And then boom, it happens. And you're like trying to figure out how it happened. And so what is gonna happen with our country in the next 4 years? Very unclear. To me, it's like I have things running in my head. How is it gonna impact immigration? How is it gonna impact people? How is it gonna help? What are the opportunities out there? It's like, it's all this unknown out there because it's total, nobody knows anything now. And so who knows? There's opportunities. I think people are scared right now, so it's a good opportunity to come out there and let people know what I think may happen or what I think I know, what can be done.
Every citizen of our land, that I will be president for all Americans.
I don't think any immigration lawyer knows the future. Just because I'm telling you right now, what I'm sharing right now are facts that I know. I know that he's not going to be president before January 20th. I know that he can execute executive power. I know that he cannot do anything without congressional approval for the big things. But what I do know is that if he decides to institute a regime of fear, of negativity for immigration, of sending a message to the world that we don't welcome people to our country, that he can do. And if he does that, that's going to impact a lot of people. And so I think what we can do as immigrants, as immigration attorneys, as people that help our clients, we can say that we welcome immigrants. We want to help them. And immigrants are actually positive for our country. Look how much they do. I'm gonna end with one thing. I'm gonna say maybe it's not a bad thing that he was elected, because he is gonna bring the good in people that were hiding it inside. We're gonna be more respectful of each other. We're gonna be more kind to each other because we have somebody like him in the White House. We have to make it a point to be as amazing as possible. So let's make it amazing as possible. Let's make our life better. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this. And I'll do more of these, and I will try to get online again, share more information as I know. And I wish you all the best from beautiful San Diego. And I'm going to go to bed.
I'm so excited about live video. It's amazing. Live video, I believe we're one of the first to have access to live video about a year ago. And I remember the first time I was able to do live video, it was just like, it was amazing. Suddenly people can talk back to me from the page. And so at least once a week I like to do a Facebook Live. And so I'm about to do one right now, where I posted yesterday a question, what is your most challenging or more concerns about immigration that you have right now? What's going to happen if they come to my house? What's going to happen if they come to my work? What do I do? And so again, if you do talk to any immigration officer, whether it's inside your house or at work, you don't have to answer any questions. You really don't. You don't have to sign anything. And you can tell the officers that you really want to talk to an attorney. You don't have to provide them any IDs. If you don't have any IDs that will help you, or if your IDs are actually going to perjure you, just don't give it to them. I mean, to me, it still blows my mind that I can actually do it and speak to my fans. And so I'm excited about it. I'm about to, so I'm trying to do it every Friday. Maybe like sometimes I do it twice a week, but usually like every Friday. What I accomplish by engaging fans using Facebook Live is that you can actually make them feel that you care. So if you think about it, there's so many Facebook pages of attorneys and brands and all these things, and we can put all these fancy pictures and you can put all these bios in there, but until somebody comes out of that page, imagine I come out of my web page live and I can broadcast to people who are on it right now and say, hi, this is Jacob, and I want to share with you some tips about immigration or whatever. Well, that's what Facebook Live allows me to do. I can literally, go on live on my page and speak to people who are there at that moment. They get a notification that I'm going live, and they can hop on a page and join live with me.